Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Do you know the difference between this white Tesla Model Y and the dark Tesla Model S? Let me show you. So now you can see the difference. It's the driver. As many of you will know, the Tesla Model S was the first production EV from Tesla to hit Hong Kong roads. So in general, the Model S and its drivers have been driving around Hong Kong for a number of years now. I think the first ones came around 2014. If I'm wrong, please do correct me in the comments section below. In contrast, the Tesla Model Y was only recently introduced this year in 2022. But its popularity has since exploded, with many Hong Kong drivers taking the plunge and buying this value for money and spacious EV. I mean, compared with the smaller Tesla Model 3, the Model Y makes much more sense in a city like Hong Kong, where every square foot of space is valuable. You can fit so much more in the Model Y than you can in the Model 3, with the difference in price being only a few thousand Hong Kong dollars, which is practically nothing for Hong Kong car owners. I mean, in a city where 90% of the population regularly takes public transport, those who own a car have, by definition, a lot of disposable income. Therefore, these new Tesla Model Y owners tend to have more money than driving experience. In a previous video, I mentioned the price of success for Tesla because there was an increase in the number of traffic accidents involving new Teslas here in Hong Kong. The cause of many of these traffic accidents is simply because these new car owners are unfamiliar with driving EVs. They have had no training or no instruction in driving their new EVs. My view is that all new EV owners need to take driving lessons in their new EVs. And perhaps Tesla and other providers of EVs should arrange driving lessons for their new customers. In this way, I believe many of the accidents that we are seeing with these new EV owners will be reduced. What do you think? Please share your comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe, especially if you are a new EV owner.